Hi everyone, welcome to this short tutorial on Cobra, Bhujangasana. So most important thing as we get started is to really focus on where you are and what your body needs rather than what you think this shape should look like. So as with any heart opener, we want to focus on the opening happening through the chest and the upper back area. So if you notice that a lot is happening in the lower back, then you can start to shift your awareness into the upper back, and I'll go through that in just a moment here. So when you make your way onto your belly, you have your hands roughly under your shoulders. Depending on your body, the hands might be a little bit wider, a little bit further back, whatever feels most supportive for your shoulders. From here, take the heads of your arm bones, the top of your arm bones, back into the center of your shoulder sockets. So this action already should hopefully create a little bit more space just there under the collarbones and the chest. Keep that action and create a lift of your front hip bones. So rather than creating this tucking of the tailbone down, I'm creating a lift of the front hip bones to engage the lower core and create a little bit of length through the low back there. So difference, tucking tailbone, engaging core. So a little bit of a difference. Arm bones in, shoulder blades down and slightly together. And imagine you're pulling your hands back. So this is an isometric engagement, so I'm not going to actually be moving my arms here. Press down, draw back. Keep this action here. Front hip bones lifted. Drawing the heart forward. Notice if you're squeezing the glutes here. As you're drawing the heart forward, start to smile there under your collarbones. Keep length through the back of your neck. Hug the inner arms in and forward. And slowly release down. So as you practice this, really focus on the opening of the front body, the engagement of the back body. Right, so your glutes will be engaged, your legs will be engaged, the whole back of your spine will be engaged. But also noticing if it's becoming compressed, right? So versus just pressing up, where I can feel all of that in my lower back. Or versus this action where I'm keeping all of my weight here in my belly, and then a lot of compression there in the low back. Or even this action where the arm bones stay rolled forward, and I lift more with my neck or my low back. So the action of the pelvis there, the hip bones moving towards the ribs. So think of creating a little smaller space there by engaging your lower core. That brings the weight back into the pelvis. Press down, arm bones in, shoulder blades down and together. Draw the heart forward as you pull the hands back. Keep that action here, right? Weight in the pelvis, glutes engaged, feet pressing down, heart opens. So even if you lift up higher, there's still all that length in your low back. You're getting some compression, but most of this opening is happening in the upper back. And so feel free to let me know how that worked for you. Thank you so much. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.